Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I teaches things related to making money online, digital marketing, tech, e-coms, blogging, freelancing, and many more. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Welcome to the new episode on how to secure your Instagram account so that your account will be more secure and hacker will not be able to hack it. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the step by step on how you can secure your Instagram account. So follow me the way I'm doing it and make sure that you watch this episode to the end so that you'll be able to secure your account from your hand. And also, if you want to secure your WhatsApp, Facebook, I have other videos that I've done before, so you can look into my profile and check on how to do that also. So let's get started. To secure your Instagram, the first thing you have to do is this. You can secure your Instagram through your Facebook account, and you can also secure your Instagram through your Instagram account. But today I'll be showing you how to secure your Instagram account through your Instagram. So now you will click on your Instagram app. This is the Instagram app that I'm using. So this is the Instagram app I'm using. So you will select your Instagram app and it will take you to your Instagram. So when it takes you to this place, the first thing you have to locate is to go to your profile. And how do you go to your profile? You can see this icon down here. You have to click on this icon down, this profile icon down. You click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to your profile. So on this profile now, you want to locate settings, and to locate settings, you have to select the menu icon, and this is what we call menu icon. The this three straight line icon is what we call menu. So that is menu icon. When you click on menu icon, some option it comes out, and these are the options: settings and privacy, thread, and many other options. But what you want to do now is you want to select on settings and privacy. That's what you want to work on. You will select settings and privacy. So after selecting settings and privacy, it will take you to this page. On this page, you are going to see a bunch of options, but what you want to locate now is your account center. So this is the account center option. Account center. So just click on the account center and you'll be directed to the next screen. So if you have already followed my previous video on how to secure your Facebook, this won't be new to you anymore. So now on this particular page now, you are on the account center. So to go to the next step, you have to select password and security. So this is password and security. Select it and it will take you to the next option. And on this option, the one you want to select now is two-factor authentication. This two-factor authentication. Just click on the two-factor authentication and it will show you the next page. On this next page is showing me the account that is connected to this particular Instagram and the Instagram, which are the Facebook and the Instagram. So I've already secured my Facebook before through Facebook app. So this is the Instagram that I want to be securing. So I will just click on the Instagram that I want to secure. Likewise, you will click your Instagram from your hand. So when you select your Instagram, it will take you to the next screen. Yeah, this is the place you are going to be securing your account. So on this page, we have three options to secure your account. We have the authentication app, we have the text message, and we have the WhatsApp. So on this particular place, the authentication app is the one they recommended. Likewise, you can use the text message, you can use the WhatsApp. All three of them are secure. You can use it, just that one is more secure than the other, and they also have their advantage and disadvantages as well. So the WhatsApp one, if you want to use the WhatsApp one, you have to just select the WhatsApp. You have to just select the WhatsApp and select next. When you do that, the reason why it's showing me WhatsApp option is because WhatsApp is connected to the Instagram. So if you have WhatsApp on your own end too, if you want to secure it with the WhatsApp, you can select the WhatsApp and click on next. Then on the next screen is going to show you where you're going to put the code that they sent to your WhatsApp. Then after then you finish the two-step, then your account is secure. But right now I'm not going to use WhatsApp, so I'll be using authentication app, but I'm just showing you the option. So if it is the text message option you want to select as well, you can select the text message option and you can select next. So on this particular one now, if you select text message, they are going to send a code to the number that you connected to your Instagram account, and that code you can use it to verify the two-step authentication. But I'm not going to use the text message as well. I'm using the authentication app. So I'll be using the authentication app for the purpose of this episode. So on this authentication app, I will just leave it selected and I will click on next. So they will direct me here. So on this particular screen now, I already have my authentication app on my phone. If you don't have, you can go and download the authentication app, being Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, and so many. But I already have the two on my phone already that I use to secure accounts. So now, this is the next screen. It asks me that if I want to use the authentication app, is either I scan the barcode or QR code, or I use this link that starts with 7BFJ. But right now I'll be scanning the barcode using my second phone to scan it, and after that they'll be able to generate an account on my authentication app for this Instagram, and I'll be able to secure my Instagram using the code that they generated for me, because using the account they generated for me, because every seconds they will be bringing code on my authentication app. If you are used to authentication app, you should know what I mean. So now let me select the view barcode, because I want to scan the barcode. This is a view barcode. And this is what we call key. In case you don't know, this is what we call key. In case you want to use key, you want to do it manually. But I'm not using key. I want to do it manually. If you want to do it manually, you have to go to your authentication app, then copy this particular code, and you use the code to create an account on your authentication app. So, but right now I'm not doing it manually. I want to scan it. So let me just click on view barcode. So after I click on view barcode, they will generate this for me, and I will use my second phone now to scan it. So I've scanned it now, and immediately I scan it, it has already created the account for me. So I'll just click on the next icon so that I can go and insert the code that was generated. So I will click on the next icon, and after clicking on the next icon, I'm going to put the code here, the code I will be using. I'm going to put the code here. So let me put the code here. So let me put the code here now. So I've put the code here and the account will be secured. So it's as you can see, it says that my account is secured and the two-factor authentication is on, so that is good. And one thing I want you to know, as you are on this screen, you can see what it shows. If you are using, let's say you are using you use a WhatsApp code or you use text message code, you will see something like this also. You will also land on this particular page. So now I want you to know something concerning this backup code. What is backup code? This backup code is a code you can use to log into your Instagram account in case you lost your phone, in case you don't have access to your in case you don't have access to your authentication app, you can always use this backup code to log in. But right now I won't save the backup code, but I already have my phone intact with me, so I won't have issue with it. So I won't save the backup code. I will just click on done. But for you on your hand, make sure you have the backup code in case of incasity. I can always come back to copy my backup code, but right now I'm not going to do anything concerning the backup code. So that is how to secure your Instagram account. So after you have done, and after you are on this screen, you just click on done, and it is done. Your account is set up and secure properly. You can also use all the 3 backup method in case of incasity, but right now I'm using 1 backup method. So that is it. So my account is secure now, and that's how to secure Instagram accounts. I hope you enjoyed today's episode on how to secure Instagram accounts. So if you enjoyed it, please kindly like this particular video, and also kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share the video to your friends and family, and also please turn on the notification bell icon on, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to, and you'll be the first person to come across it, because YouTube are going to send you a notification concerning any particular episode that I drop. So thank you so much. I'm glad to have you around. Bye.